The boat, the ship, very heavy, but it does not sink above water siya. It will not sink as long as the water does not get inside the ship. Pag pinasukan na ng tubig yung ship, lulubog na yan. In the same way, please take care of your mindset, your attitudes. Kasi pag pinasukan ka ng negative, kunwari may nadinig ka, pinatulan mo, inisip mo na yun, nagalit ka na, pumasok na yung tubig. And the evil one will work on you, nakuha ka na niya. You're sinking. So what is the best thing? Right away, you plug the hole. And what's the best way? Come, Holy Spirit. Lord, hindi ko papatulan yan. I will not allow any negativity to rule me. No matter how valid, no matter how right you are, pag nandun ka na sa thread ng negativities, palubog ka na.